Welcome back. Now I am again super excited that we are taking another leap in the course of event management. In this segment, we'll be talking about what are the different types of event. Two major classification we can do on the basis of nature of event. One is the event projects, another one is the event product. Event product is something which is designed by the event manager and you have an intention to sell it as a ticketed event. So that's your product. On the other hand, we have another type of events called projects. Projects are something which are assigned to you as an official event manager by the client. The major difference is in the project, you are doing the event with the help of client's money. If you are planning a product, you are pumping your own money into it and then you are expecting return on that. So initially, if you are planning to start your own event management business, I always recommend look out for the projects. Do not design products immediately. Once you do some projects with the help of client's money, gain some experience, then you can get into the products. Some of the examples of event projects, it could be the corporate event wherein a corporate company wants to do, let us say, the annual day celebration or anniversary celebration and they appoint you as an official event manager. So they'll pay you the money and you are supposed to organize the event. Another example of event project could be the wedding planning. Wedding is always a very special day in everybody's life. People want to celebrate, people want to share that moment with the guests. So wedding planning could also be another event project. Another example could be the birthday party planning. However, the quantum of money is quite less, but if I talk about the quantity of event or the number of events in birthday party is quite large. So you can do birthday party planning also. Another example could be the social gathering, kitty parties, get-togethers and so on. So these all are the projects. These all are the examples of the projects which are assigned to you as an official event manager by the client. As I told you, another type of events are the event products which you design, which you create and you are supposed to sell and make money out of those events. Some examples could be like a New Year party. You book the venue, you book the food, beverages and so on, invite the artists, sell your tickets and make money out of that. Same way, you can organize some entertainment shows, like you are booking an artist, you are booking an auditorium, selling the tickets and making money out of that. Exhibitions are also a very good product to sell. Nowadays, there are a lot of exhibitions which are happening industry specific. For example, real estate exhibitions, jewelry exhibition, education exhibition and so on. So you can design your own exhibition, reach out to the clients, sell it, sell the space and make money out of that. Another example could be the conferences, wherein you are booking the venue, designing a conference, inviting the speakers and selling it to the delegates. So these all are the different examples of the products. So these are two broad classifications, product and project. In the subsequent video, we'll discuss all these types of event in detail.